everyone and welcome to Aquatica. By the way, I'm Trainer Birds and I would like to meet my friends together with the trainers one at a time. On your left side is the only male South American sea lion that we have. And according to his trainer, he is the handsome one. Wow, confident. His name is Vincent. Together with Trainer Vince, say hi! While on the other side is the youngest female South American sea lion that we have. And according to his trainer, she is the cutest. Oh, don't be shy, girl. Her name is Ira. Together with Trainer Jan, say hello! Now, let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why they're called feet or feathers put in marine mammals? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey buddies, do you have feathers? The answer is no. It's actually because of their front flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. See those? The term pinniped may be also translated as wing-footed, since their flipper do look somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to be flying underwater as they swim from place to place, right buddies? And you know, they're often mistaken as a seal because they look very much alike. But some differences between a seal and a sea lion is the fact they have bigger front flippers. And they can also turn their back flippers, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land. And that's the fine demonstration. How about a round of applause for sea lion friends? And you know what guys? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? How about another round of applause for sea lion friends? As you can see, their body is covered with a thin coat of short, coarse hair. And their whiskers help the sea lion's sense of touch. They contain nerve fibers which make them sensitive. Wow, nice mind. Hey! They may also use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibrations from prey in the water. And their small external ears give them a good sense of hearing bottom up and below the water surface. Sea lions, like many marine mammals, can see well bottom up and underwater. They have keen eyesight but no color vision. In the wild, males inhabit waters close to shore, flat rocky cliffs with typhoons, and have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities, which can easily scale rocky cliffs. Check this out. Surely strong front flippers. Now, let's talk about their swimming abilities, and let's start with Vincent, the handsome one. Sea lions generally cruise at around 11 miles per hour using the rowing movement of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudder for steering. And that is the normal swim. Nice and easy. Thank you, Vincent and Trainer Vince. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a burst speed up to... Ready, Ira? That is so fast! How about a round of applause for Ira? The cutest! Wow, nice light, girl. And another one. She deserves it. Now, here's an interesting story about the sea lion. Did you know that the US Navy has trained a few of them to take part in their special operations? Yup, that's right. They're able to hold their breath for up to 20 minutes. And they can dive hundreds of feet. Abilities that even the best Navy diver would be envious of. And since cannot be detected by radar underwater, they're thought to recognize and avoid underwater mines. Alright, buddy trainers, are you ready? Well then, salute! Now, let's march. Ready? Up, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, salute! this time, could you please join our sea lion in a salute? In a count of 3, everybody please salute and make this one loud. Alright guys, are you ready? Hey guys, I can't hear you. Are you ready? Okay, let me count. 1, 2, 3. Salute everybody. Thank you so much. Well, sea lions are also used to search and recover equipment from the water. H2O. Okay, trainers, but first, Derwin, go ahead and get the reach sea lion friends. Vincent got it. Also, I have got it. A round of applause for sea lion friends. Great job, buddy. And another one. They asking for it. So trainers, what next? The ball. How do you think they get the ball? It's a ball. Careful, buddy. Go, Ira. Careful. Almost there, Ira. Steady and fantastic. How about a round of applause for sea lion friends? Excellent work, buddies. Now this time, would you love to see a dance number from our sea lion friends? Hey guys, where's the energy? Would you love to see them dance? Well, hit it, maestro. Let's move it! Clap your hands, everybody, come on! And now, show them side by side. And lovely for dancing. Into the water ballet. Twist it and turn it. And around the world we'll go. Round and round. On the other side, round and round. Okay, Ira, show them the boogie boogie. Boogie boogie, shake, shake, shake. Wow, Vincent, wow. Our favorite part, shake those booties. Go, Trainer John. Yeah, wow. And keep on rolling. Okay, Ira, show them what you got. People at the crowd, ready your camera, because this is the best part. Steady and arriba! And for the finale. Steady and let's go! Yeehaw! One applause for sea lion friends and the trainers as well for the great dance number. It's do it! We hope you all enjoy spending your afternoon here at Aquatica with your newfound friends, the South American sea lions, Vincent and Ira. And we also hope that even after you leave, you will take this experience with you wherever you go. And remember, what we do here on land greatly affects our friends in the sea. Sea lions, like many marine animals, cannot survive a rush-filled environment. So let's keep our surroundings clean. Aside from pollution, there are many other threats to their survival all over the world, such as climate change and illegal hunting. You can learn more about this inside our oceanarium. Always keep in mind that we are steward of our planet and thus each each one of us must do what we can to protect and conserve all inhabitants of our Mother Earth, including ourselves. So on behalf of Vincent and Trainer Beats, Ira and Trainer John, all of us here at Aquatica and Manila Ocean Park, we would like to thank everyone for visiting us today. We hope you all enjoy and visit us again soon. So take care and have a nice day. Say goodbye to our sea lion friends. Bye! By the way guys, if you love some souvenir pictures with sea lions and birds, please approach our friendly photographer at the exit area. And again, thank you for watching! So guys, before you leave, allow me to introduce the newest attraction at Manila Ocean Park. Get ready to dive into the newest attraction, experience the thrill of aqua adventures, where every splash brings joy, standing under the sun. Plus, it's part of the journey of fun and innovations that the Philippines value.